Hello, it's Taylor Glass here from GlampLaunch, and today we're showing off another shepherd's hut, which is kind of like a template of what we can sell. So if you like this model, you can basically just buy it the exact same as the way you see it, or we can make changes to it. Let's go and take a look. First of all, before we go inside, I just want to very quickly show you the surrounding area that these guys have built. Now, they built this decking onto the side of the hut. This obviously doesn't come as standard. That was done by the client after the hut was installed. This hut's about 2 years old, so still very new, very fresh. And as you can see here, like, this whole site is a beautiful woodland. Like, I would actually like to stay here myself. You've got all of these seats here, you've got this fire pit, and you've got these lounge chairs. Very comfortable. Like, all joking aside though, like, this is exactly what glamping is supposed to be. It's supposed to be being out in nature, surrounded by wildlife. I can hear the birds, I can see the birds, and I think this is the epitome of glamping. So it is. But anyways, back to the tour. As long as I don't break this bed. Anyways, so let's go and look inside the hut. I think the decking is a nice touch by the client. I think it's good to have a decking like this on the sides of a shepherd's hut. But anyway, as we head on in, as you can see, it's a very big open plan space. So it is, everything is contained within one central location inside the shepherd's hut. We've got some storage here, we've got some shelving, and as usual, we've got our amenities built into it. Everything that you need is inside this one room, really. So it is, and you have a nice big sofa. But to be honest, anyone that's going to be staying here is really going to spend most of their time outside, as you saw just earlier on in the clip there. So this is really just for people to make food. They'll probably eat it outside anyway. This is for people just to eat food, relax, and go to bed. And this is the actual bed. Wait, do you see this? How cool is this? So we built the bed, well, not we, but the bed is built into a specific enclosure so that you can keep it closed and keep it as airy as possible. And we have some like amenities in the boiler and stuff's in there. Pretty sweet. And then heading into the bathroom. This bathroom and this unit is quite small intentionally because we want to keep as much space outside into the main living quarters, but you have everything you need here. You have a very big shower. You don't really need a bigger shower than this here. If I was designing it for my clients, I would maybe make the space between the shower and the toilet and the sink a little bit bigger, but other than that there, it's got everything it needs. So this is a great example of what we can produce. So thank you guys for watching, and if you're interested in this unit, drop me an email or a text message and we'll see what we can do for you.